Okay, so this is pretty much where I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video. I'm gonna tell you guys why I didn't really finish curling it. I know how to curl hair, and I know I could have curled this 10 times better than what I did, but I'm gonna get into that in just a second. This hair is from BeautyForever Hair. This video is sponsored. They did reach out to me. Just a little disclaimer, I want to go ahead and put that out there. I did go ahead and throw the packaging away. It came in a box, you know, the standard stuff. They gave me some wig caps, an elastic band, which I did end up using to when I applied this wig, I believe an edge brush. And that was pretty much it. Might have been a pair of eyelashes in there, I'm not 100% sure. I find that the boxes, you know, the hair boxes that I get sent all the time, they kind of take up a lot of space, so that's why I don't physically have it in my hand to show you guys. So if that matters to you, I do apologize. In the future, I will try not to toss them yet until after I've done the video on it. So this is their 5x5 HD lace wig. I do have it in the body wave texture, and then the length that I got it in is 26 inches. I am pretty tall, you guys, and this hair is pretty long. It almost looks like a 28 inch, but I'm pretty sure that I did ask for a 26 inch. It just looks a little bit longer than usual. Now the density of this wig, I'm not sure. I didn't have the option to pick the density, I don't think so. It just kind of came as is, but this wig is very full. If they did send me a specific density, I will be sure to put it down below in my description box. So let me start with the pros of this hair. Would have to be the HD lace. It is absolutely flawless. I love the amount of parting space that I get with it. I feel like there's really not a difference between 5x5 and 6x6. They're darn near the same thing. Of course, one is an inch bigger than the other, but you still get the same effect. It doesn't matter which one you get. Like I said, to me, they're practically the exact same thing. So it stops right here on this side and right here, so basically like to the end of your eyebrows. So love the parting space. I love the lace, you guys. I feel like I did a really good job with melting this lace, and I did it completely glueless. My goal was to curl this hair real nicely and then kind of push it forward. So the reason why I stopped curling the hair is because I'm not really feeling how frizzy this hair is getting, and how I'm getting a little bit of like a snags when I do comb it while I was curling it. And even with running my fingers through it, it's not so much up here, it's when you get to the bottom. Of course, I am getting some shedding with this wig, of course, but I just don't like the little bit of resistance that I get at the bottom of the hair. I don't know if I need to go in and trim it or what, but I feel like I shouldn't really have to do that. And then also the hair is getting like very frizzy. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but like it just got really frizzy out of nowhere. It's probably, you guys probably can't see because of everything in the background, but it's just getting frizzy. And I'm like, why would I continue to take the time to curl this hair when I know it's not already like kind of not acting right? So that's why I just kind of stopped. As long as I got a little bit of volume going here in the front and a little bit of a slight wave with this hair, I'm pretty much okay with that. I'm just not crazy about the frizziness. Now, I'm not somebody that likes to put a lot of product in my hair. Maybe if I would have went in with a serum or something like that, that may have helped the frizz, but I don't know. It was just frizzing up just really badly from me just curling the hair. So I'm not really crazy about that aspect of this wig, but other than that, I like the hair just if it didn't frizz, because the lace on this wig is perfect and the hair is really dark, as you guys can see on camera. I did dye it jet black. Of course, this is HD lace, so I did not do the watercolor method because then it'll stay in the lace. I had to go in and do it by hand, but now I feel like I did all that, and I'm not gonna say I don't like the wig. I guess that I could try my best to make it work. And I did wash this hair. One thing that I can say about it is that this is one of the very few body wave wigs that when it's wet, it still has that nice body wave to it. It's not the one that comes when you first get the hair, you know, fresh out of the package, but when it does get wet and dry, it does have a really nice wave to it that I feel like you could wear it out like that in public if you wanted to, because it looks kind of cute. Normally when you get body wave hair, you wash it, the wave like goes away immediately. If any of you guys care about things like that, it's not a terrible wig, it just gets a little bit frizzy. So I guess me being someone that doesn't really like to put product in my hair, I would have to go ahead and do that with this particular wig. For some of you guys who already use like these serums and oils and stuff like that, I guess you wouldn't really have a problem with it. I just am not really crazy about hair that gets really frizzy, because then the curls look kind of messy and whatnot. I don't really know if I could say that it holds a curl either, because they're already dropping. Now this one I curled, you know, the curl is still there pretty nicely, but the rest of the curls, like the more I run my fingers through the hair, they pretty much have gone bye-bye. So because it's body wave hair, I have to say that's a con, because a lot of people like myself get body wave hair to curl it. So if it can't hold a curl, then it's like, you know. The lace on this wig, you guys, is absolutely flawless. It's beautiful. Okay, so that's all that I really have to say about this wig. Please feel free to let me know down below in the comment section how your experience was. To me, just their hair is just, it's kind of okay. That being said, I do hope that you guys appreciate this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.